Land surveyors' jobs. New land survey problem. In field survey A, B and C are 3 points to be plotted on the drawing sheet. The key diagram is shown on the screen. AB is a road segment, whose length is to be determined. Let point O is midpoint of AB from where points A, C and B are visible. Line of sight AC and BC are obstructed by objects shown. Digital Land Survey, DLS, equipment is used to take following observations. Distance OC is equal to 70 meter, and angle AOC is equal to 38 degrees. Also, site topology shows OA is greater than OC. Determine the distances A, AC and BC. The conventional instruments theodolite and total station are not used because of following drawbacks. I. The instruments are costly and can be operated by engineering graduates. 2. The observation process with these instruments takes lot of time in the fieldwork. From email correspondence it is found you eagerly look forward to online surveyors training at approved JST Network Franchise Center to become self-employed. Please like the video attached. Thank you. Solution Demo Exercise. Dear Sir, you are a respected person in the educated society. I solicit your cooperation in bringing awareness of new technology and methods among young generation. In land survey with use of DLS equipment, no angle is measured on the field, therefore graduate civil engineers cannot determine the distance AB from observed data on the field. Therefore, in view of introduction of digital land survey, DLS, equipment, it is essential that graduate engineers must update their knowledge. The importance of DLS equipment use is explained in the figure shown on screen. To measure the road distance between stations A and B in land surveying, DLS equipment is placed at midpoint, O, on the line AB. A point C is selected anywhere on the ground such that distance OC can be measured conveniently. From point O, rays OA, OC and OB are drawn. Only DLS equipment users can determine the distance AB, no one else. DLS equipment observed data processing. We have derived the formula, if two chords of a circle AB is equal to A and AC is equal to B, such that they meet at a point A on the circle, then the radius is given by R, the formula shown on the screen. Switch P-1 to compute the distance OB from above formula. Let the side OC is equal to A is equal to 70 meter. And included angle at O is 38 degrees. The radius of the circle is R is equal to 0.5 into cosec 38. We get R is equal to 56.8 meters. Invoke soft app supplied with the instrument DLSE to determine the length of adjacent chord B is equal to OB. The values of OB is equal to B, obtained from the soft app, are 84 and 47.10 units. According to given topology, side B is greater than A. Therefore B is equal to 84 is accepted value. Switch P-2. The extract of data processing and the result given by the soft app is presented below. Switch P-3 plotting the points A, B and C from data computed by the soft app. The construction steps are: I. Draw line segment AB is equal to 168 meter at suitable scale. 2. Mark point O as midpoint of AB again and make angle AOC is equal to 38 degrees. Step 4 results. The construction of figure ABC is shown on the screen. Join the points AC and BC and measure the distances. After scaling, the distance AC is equal to 51.86 meter and BC is equal to 145.68 meter, and AB is equal to 168 meters. Dear students, you have learned the innovative solution of the given land surveying problem. Training of land surveyors at approved JST Network Franchise Center provides opportunity anyone to become entrepreneur. After training, you can be employed as surveyor in any civil engineering department, or you can undertake production and marketing, or you may run own training center and join approved JST network on any part of the country. Please like the video attached and subscribe the channel. Place your order to purchase DLS equipment by email correspondence given on the screen. Thank you.